gosh. You look so cute. All of you. Look. Here she is. Look. There she is. They're safe. They're all safe. Don't worry, my rocket. I'll take care of the puppies. Look. I'm gonna feed you this. Because you got the puppies. When you're done this, you feed your babies, my girl. Oh, look at that one. Oh, hello, guys. Hello. Hey, guys. Oh, let's see. Oh, look at you. You're so cute. You're so cute. Where's your face? You're so cute. Oh. Looks like your eyes are going to be open soon. You? Oh my gosh. Look. Rocket. I think it's time for them to eat. Okay? Can you feed them? Feed them, please. Rocket. Damn. You guys are just chilling, huh? Anyone live near Cardston, Alberta, and would be interested in a puppy? I have 6, well, I had 7 Akita Cross Pit Bull. This is the second batch from the mother. The other batch are huge. They're already older and everything. But if you live around Cardston, Alberta, and anyone interested in one of these cute little guys, please leave a comment and I will get back to you. I would love these guys to go to a good home. Hey, where you going, man? I think you're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way, boy. There you go. Oh my God, he jumped. All right, bye.